Welcome to this brief guide on how to use voice typing in Google Docs. Google Docs is a pretty common tool used by millions of people every day. However, not everybody has the ability to use a keyboard all the time. Maybe you have a temporary or permanent impairment that makes typing difficult, or you're just like me and want to be a little bit lazy. Today I'm going to show you how to use voice typing to make typing easier than ever before. Here you can see I have a Google Doc document currently open, and I can begin typing up using my keyboard, which is pretty easy, depending on how fast you are. It may be faster though to type with your voice. So let's get voice typing set up. In order to do so, we need to head to the Tools option in your toolbar, and from the menu, we want to select the option that says voice typing. On Mac, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-S, or on Windows, the command is Control-Shift-S. Selecting this is going to give us our voice typing controls, and there's a few things that we want to check out here first. The first of which is to select your language. Now, you can see there's dozens and dozens and dozens of languages available. I'm obviously going to select English Australia, as that is my preferred language. Now that I've selected my language, I can use that ellipsis at the top of this voice typing control to move it around wherever I need to make it easier for me to see. And then once I'm ready, I simply click on the microphone icon to begin my dictation. If this is the first time you've done it, you will need to allow the browser window to have access to your microphone. And then you can quickly and easily begin typing using nothing more than your voice, full stop. You also have the ability to use certain phrases and commands to be able to control where your cursor is, full stop. New line, just like that, full stop. Super fast and super easy, and for those who may potentially have some sort of repetitive strain injury or other impairment, being able to type with your voice could be an exceptionally handy tip to have, full stop. And once you've finished your dictation, you can simply click on the microphone icon again to stop the dictation. And if you need to type some additional text afterwards, simply clicking on the microphone will let you continue. And that is how you use voice typing in Google Docs. I hope you found this tip extremely useful and it saves you plenty of time in the future, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.